Children, in bio class, now I am going to explain you respiratory quotient, which is known as RQ. Respiratory quotient is the molar ratio of carbon dioxide evolved to oxygen absorbed in respiration. It is expressed by equation. So equation is RQ is equal to volume of carbon dioxide evolved upon volume of oxygen absorbed in unit time. Children, you have to know respiratory quotient varies with the substrate. There are different types of respiratory substrate. It may be carbohydrate, glucose, fat, protein, or it may be other organic acid. So respiratory quotient is different for different respiratory substrate. When carbohydrate are completely oxidized, the value of RQ for carbohydrate is 1. Its reason is the volume of oxygen absorbed during the respiration is equal to the volume of carbon dioxide evolved. Children, you have studied equation of aerobic respiration. C6H12O6 plus 6O2. Then products are 6CO2, 6H2O and energy. So this equation represents the volume of oxygen absorbed during the respiration, aerobic respiration, is equal to the volume of carbon dioxide evolved. Therefore, respiratory quotient for the glucose is 1. The value of RQ is 1. Why value of RQ for the glucose is 1? Reason is volume of carbon dioxide evolved is equal to volume of oxygen absorbed during oxidation of respiration. During oxidation of glucose. But when protein and fats are the respiratory substrate, the value of RQ is not 1. It is less than 1. In both cases, the value of RQ is less than 1. That is coming between 0.5 to 0.9. Its reason is more oxygen are used and less carbon dioxide is evolved during respiration when respiratory substrates are fat and protein. But when we are taking the organic acid as a respiratory substrate, then for organic acid, the value of RQ is more than 1. That is coming 1.324. It means more carbon dioxide evolved and less oxygen absorbed when organic acids or respiratory substrate. Children, we can measure the volume of gas oxygen carbon dioxide by Guénon's respirometer, and we can calculate the respiratory quotient by measuring the volume of oxygen and volume of oxygen absorbed and volume of carbon dioxide evolved during respiration.